Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, hey girl. Today I'm going to be doing a Amazon haul. I've been accumulating a lot of things. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. Is this mine? It's not even in an Amazon box. What is this? Oh, this is a scrubber mitt. It goes on your 2 fingers, and this is for your lady parts downstairs, if you get what I'm saying. It is an exfoliating and clarifying mitt by Fur. Can you see it? And it's pretty self-explanatory. It helps you exfoliate down there. And the next item, let's see. Ooh, I was over visiting my sister and she had this. It is a facial steamer, and all the girlies on YouTube and TikTok have been using their facial steamers to do like their facials and their skincare. I sat under it for like a few minutes and it felt like you were at a spa. Got one of these, can't wait to use it because I do want to get like a skincare routine going. I pretty much don't do anything to my skin, but I know as we get up there in age, we gotta start getting a regimen going. So yeah, can't wait to use this. I'll put the picture of the product that I saw. These are scrubber gloves, exfoliating gloves, and this is for the shower, and it comes in a 30 pack to put on the mitt. You can like exfoliate your body. So I have scrubs and stuff like that, but I use my hands. But I feel like this way, every time you shower, you will be exfoliating, which I love. So these are shower caddies, and I'll insert a picture from Amazon. I don't want to take it all the way out, but they're basically little wires, little wire baskets, and they suction onto the wall. So you can put like your shampoos, your scrubs, and all the stuff that you use in the shower. Because as of now, when I have to do my hair, I just basically put everything on the floor because it can't fit into the little cutout. But this way I can just put everything in the shower and not be bending down to get it. I think I mentioned before that we're going on a trip soon, so I did get a bunch of bikinis from Fashion Nova. I have so much stuff that I got from Fashion Nova that I said I was going to do hauls on. So sometime next week, hopefully, I can do the haul of everything that I got, because I did want to do like a postpartum mommy haul and all that. And I might have time to try these on before we go. I don't know. But yeah, a bunch of bikinis. And I'm assuming this is the broom part. No, this isn't the broom part. What is this? What is this? Oh, okay. So these are pants sets. I don't know if you guys can see, but they're hangers. And they have 5 on each side, so 10 total, and they clip. And you can put your pants, you can put leggings, or like t-shirts and tank tops. I am trying to get my closet together. I have been very unsuccessful because I really haven't had time to do it. But yeah, gonna save up some space because I'll show in another video I think I put on. I have bought all these boxes and organizers for my closet, and I ran out of space, so I'm like, why not just hang the stuff that I can hang up, get more hangers possibly. So yeah, these are for the closet. Seems like every package is heavier and heavier. Okay, so this is a 20 packs of metal hangers. These are for pants. If you can see right here, you just slide the pants onto the hanger. This is a tank top hanger. So I'll insert a picture that I saw on Amazon, but basically you can put like 20 tank tops onto one, or t-shirts even, onto one hanger. I got some stuff for the house. We just renovated our kitchen, so I did get a bunch of stuff to organize. So first things first, I feel like everybody that has done a kitchen organization video has these clear containers, and they come stacked. So you have the smallest, then they get bigger. And this is a 16 pack. Is it 16? It looks like way more than that. But yeah, just regular clear containers for the pantry, or maybe even the drawers. I'll probably do a separate video on when I start organizing the kitchen. This is heavy. I forgot what it was. What is this? Girl, I forgot what this is. Oh, these are like little storage containers. I don't know if you can see, but it's for like cereals, pastas, things that we're gonna, you guys see the pantry. I'm probably gonna do it before and after, but yeah, all of this like snack type of stuff will go in here. This came in a, well, I don't know how many, but it's a bunch of them. And it's the airtight food storage containers. Okay, on to the next one. Ooh, this is one I'm kind of excited about. This is, if I can get it out, this is going to go under our kitchen sink. These are just like wire shelving. I'm gonna put all of the kitchen soap, all the sponges and everything. It's gonna be stacked on here and it's gonna look so nice. Again, that'll be in another video. So I think these are more recent items that I ordered. I still don't remember everything I got. So this is a broom holder. It's gonna go in our laundry room. We're gonna use this for the, obviously, a broom, dustpan. You can put your mop. I don't know if you can see, it has like different grooves so you can like organize everything and have everything off of the shelf. Like our little, what's it called? Steam mop, the little handheld, you know, like the little Dyson vacuums. So that all goes on the wall. This is Donna. Okay, so this is a new broom. Oh, that must be the broom. This is a broom and dustpan set, and as you can see, this is the type of dustpan where you don't have to bend over. You can just stand up and sweep it into the. Last but not least, I got these, what's this called? Shelf liners. These go in the drawers for all the kitchen drawers and like the cabinets. So when I organize our kitchen, I'm definitely going to be using these. I got 3 of them. And this is already open, so you can like see it kind of has like texture so it can grip and everything, and it's just like a really thick plastic. So I'm excited about that. And I also got some baby stuff because Avery is almost 9 months now. We're almost done, y'all. And this is a ponytail cutter. I hate they only came in pink because it's for my little baby boy. But yeah, you basically cut the ponytails. I usually have to use like a comb and some scissors, which is dangerous, especially with a baby. But this way you just slide it under the ponytail and it's like a little razor right here and it cuts it, and it came in a pack of 3 as well as came with a bunch of rubber bands. This box is already beat up, so I'm trying to figure out what was Amazon doing with the boxes. This is for our son, Avery. He has begun eating his solids, and he puts the spoon in his mouth, but he'll like put the wrong side in his mouth so he doesn't get the food and it'll fall off. But this way he can just hold it in the middle, and either way he puts it in his mouth, he can get food in. So I'm actually very excited for him to try that. So this is a baby item. If you can see, it's a little, we actually could have used this today when we went out to eat, but it's a high chair and it clips onto the sides of the tables at the restaurants. If you guys can see right here, when we would like go to the restaurants, I'll be worried because, you know, babies put their mouths on everything, but this way we can have our own little high chair, and yeah, I don't have to worry about any of that. And it saves space because, you know, their high chairs have little legs that go like this. This slides directly onto the table, so it's going to be very convenient. 4-pack, if I'm not mistaken. And oh, I'm excited for this. This is a baby item. Again, he started his solids, and if you can see, it's basically a whole bib situation to where, because normally I have to take like all his clothes off because if you have a baby, you know, they get the food everywhere. But this way I don't have to take off his outfit every time. And then it comes with a little table thing, because if you know, kids like to drop the food on the floor. But this way you don't have to worry about cleaning stuff up. And it came in this cute little bag. So I'm very excited about this. And I got it in the Dove Gray. So this is the picture of what I got it in. This I actually used today. And these are a baby item. They're dress socks. And they came in a multi-pack. And we actually used the white pair today. And the very last thing, if you guys can see, I'll insert the picture. But this is basically a big ass box, and it is a tree. I'll insert the picture right here. But yeah, it's some decor pieces because I did want to start redecorating, but it's like we have baby stuff everywhere, so it's like no point in really decorating. So I'm basically trying to focus on decluttering, throwing away stuff I don't need. Can you guys hear him laughing? Yeah, throwing away things I don't need and making space for new things. So yes, this is a faux plant, and it's probably going to go in our front room. So I'll insert a picture that I took and I posted it on Instagram. Oh, my husband has him. But yeah, I posted on Instagram a while ago, and I just love the way the whole background look with the little table, the light behind me, and I had a cute plant. That was a real plant and it died shortly after getting it. I actually have very bad luck when it comes to live plants, so I just learned my lesson and get a fake plant. So excited to open this. And now I keep saying that's it, but I really think that's it. He's getting upset in there, so I'm gonna wrap this video up. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and leave a comment down below of future videos you guys would like to see. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.